please subscribe. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Fire Friday, December the 1st, brand new month. In today's video, I have one play for you and one to put on stock. But before I go into the plays, let me delve into yesterday's recap of the overall markets. The Dow closed up 1.5% yesterday, settling at 35,952, a brand new 52-week high for the Dow. The year started very rocky for stocks for the first 5 months or so. The Nasdaq, they closed down 0.23% at 14,226, the Nas. Apple closed up 0.31% at $189.95, Apple. The big winner yesterday was AMPE. AMPE spiked a whopping and epic and eye-popping 193%, settling at $5.76. The higher day was $7.47. Volume yesterday for AMPE, 19 million shares exchanged hands. Compare and contrast to their average volume of 200K. Dave's play today is a SP play, in and out, grab and go. One end to move, do not overstay your welcome. HCDI. HCDI is up 44% thus far in the pre, trading at $1.24 at the recording of this video. The higher day thus far is $1.45. Heavy resistance at $1.45. Let's see if this one could impale $1.45. There's no news out, but I suspect bottom fishing. The stock made a new 52-week low of 65 cents yesterday. This one is in the real estate space, and their headquarters out of Washington State. This one is spikeable. For example, on May 3rd, stock went from $3.31 all the way to $13.91. In conjunction to that, May 10th, the stock went from $4.64 all the way to $15.85. Let's get the tires.
What's the tires on this?
Brother, you didn't kick them.
Oh, I'd rather I check them out before I'm going to think about purchasing.
They were a market cap of $2 million. $2 million in the float. 21% of the float are held by insiders. 2% of the float are held by institution, and shorts has 2% of the float as well. They have $39 million in revenues. Their revenue per share, 27.12. They have a total cash of $8 million and a total debt of $159 million. Let me repeat that. $159 million in total debt and $8 million in total cash. They have to work on their debt load here. Their current ratio is sitting at a low 0.08. Please do not overstay your welcome on this one. This one could bankrupt any day. HCDI. Please put on stock for continuation. NEXI. Spiked 49% yesterday at 248. Watch for continuation today. This one has a low float of 718K. They have a total cash of $9 million and a low debt of 600K. Their current ratio is sitting above par. Their current ratio is sitting at 1.66 to be precise. Their book value per share, 7.80 NEXI. This one has spikeability. For example, February 16th. The stock went from $10 all the way to $20.35. NEXI. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on X at @ThePetite for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bum, make your next trade your best trade. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. Be safe.
Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You will get some free stocks. Minimum deposit required is just 1 penny. Also, pre-market hours trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull, only the way to go. Pre-market hours trading is very risky. It's not for the risk averse. I thank you very much for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.
Let's jump right into it. The Dow Jones closed up 0.30% today at 31,148. The NASDAQ, they closed up 0.57% at 13,856. The NASDAQ still looking strong. The big winner today, Dave's Play, AAME, closed up 118% today at 520. Stock opened up at 375. The high of the day, 1580. That's a new 52-week high. And the low of the day was 360. AAME. The volume today, 111 million. Compare and contrast that to their average volume of just 38,000. AAME, the big winner today. Dave's Play today again, LAIX. The stock closed up 60% at 409. It opened up at 818. Spiked as high as 1165. And the low of the day, 386. The volume today was 128 million. This is LAIX. Okay, compared to their average volume of 333,000. Okay. I told you to put this one on your stock list today. WHLR. They closed up 66% at 466. They opened up at, according to Yahoo, which is incorrect. Yahoo has the opening price at 265. That is incorrect. The opening price was 311. They spiked as high as 736. And the low of the day, 358. WHLR. The volume today was 8.5 mil. And their average volume is 46K. Please give me a thumbs up on the video. Please set your notification for Sunday's stock list, okay? And please donate to the channel. Check out the description for ways you could do that, okay? Let's delve forward to stocks kicking up rumpus in the AH. WPRT is up 41% at 1225. Check out the news. They have news, Amazon news. All right, some kind of deal going on. Check out the news on your own time, your own term. Also kicking up rumpus in the AH, we have OCGN. I featured this stock at 50 cents. Go back to my older video. The stock is up 35% at 714 on Big C News. New vaccine looms large. OCGN. Go ahead and research up the news. Check out the news on your own time, all right? They're up 20% at 570 on No News. Please study up over the weekend. Please look forward to my Sunday stock list, okay? And I'll see you when I see you. Be safe for the weekend. And I'll see you next time. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam. Make your next trade your best trade.
734 million. Let that sink in. Compare and contrast that to their average volume of 19 million. Okay? Watch for continuation today. As a matter of fact, the stock is up about 70% in the pre. Put this one on your stock list for continuation. It might be overextended at this juncture. This one at about 50 cents in the morning. OCGN closed up a whopping 174% at 80 cents. This is why I have this channel. Supernova moves like these. Please give me a thumbs up on the video.